Hi pickers, welcome back. I'm Monkey Lockpicks and today is a mail call. I've just received this package from the postman and this is a custom lockpick from my talented friend Daz Evers. As you know, Daz is a great custom lockpick maker and we have made a trade a while back and well, today this came to my door. I've just take away all the wrapping outside, and you know, with this pandemic I was wearing gloves, I was outside, so I've kept just this wrapping to do an unboxing here on camera, and let's see what's inside. I'm really curious because I know Daz is as I said, really talented. I love his work so much. So let's see what's inside. Really well packaged. Or maybe I need to cut a little more right there. Okay. Oh wow. I see he's also sent me some really nice wood for my lockpicks. This was totally unexpected, so thank you so much, Daz, for the gift. Okay. I don't know which kind of wood this is, but it's really nice. Just look at the grain of the wood, it's outstanding. Really nice. I love it. I can't wait to make a pick out of this awesome wood. Thank you so much, my friend. And just look at it. Awesome. Alright. Let's put it away for a moment and let's see what's inside here. The case is really nice. Don't know what kind of tubing this is. Maybe for electrical wires or stuff like that. But for sure it really protects the pick. And I think it also slides. Oh yes, just look how cool is that. Wow, really nice. Now let's take a look. Wow, look at this beauty. So look at the finish, the precision. It's really, it's perfect. No flaws, nothing. It's just perfect. Look at the mirror finish on the tip. You can almost see my face behind the camera. It's outstanding. Look at the shape. These are hollow brass pins. I know this is ebony because Daz already said me that. Medium hook, I would say. It's unbelievably nice. I mean, it's awesome. Look at this little curve right there that matches with the profile of the handle, and I think it's really comfortable also to hold for pins down picking, and for pins up it's really awesome. I'm almost speechless. This is it's a work of art, my friend. I'm so glad to have this piece of craftsmanship in my collection. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video. This is outstanding. Daz, thank you so much. I'm amazed from the quality of your work. Really. Right, I think I'm gonna play with this baby a little more, so see you soon guys, and until the next time, keep on picking. Bye my friends.